Nissan may be assembling the most disruptive pickup comeback of the decade, but the viral three-truck story is more complicated than it sounds. One model delivers 402 horsepower, another could revive the affordable work truck formula America has nearly abandoned, and a third remains the V8 power dream enthusiasts refuse to bury. Ignite your engines, you're on the grid with Motor Maven. Behind the rumors, Nissan's real strategy stretches from China to Mississippi and could reshape its truck lineup. Here are the 4 developments separating confirmed engineering, opportunity, and pure speculation, plus the one move that could change Nissan's future in America. Number 4, Frontier Pro PHEV, Nissan unleashes electrified muscle. The Frontier Pro plug-in hybrid is the clearest sign that Nissan is serious about electrified trucks. Revealed for China, it combines a turbocharged 1.5-liter gasoline engine with a powerful electric motor to deliver about 402 horsepower and up to 590 pound-feet of torque. That instant electric shove could improve towing, rock crawling, muddy starts, and low-speed job site control. Nissan also targets roughly 84 miles of electric-only driving under China's testing cycle, though any American rating would likely be lower. The truck can supply up to 6 kilowatts of external power for tools, camping gear, refrigerators, or emergency equipment. However, it does not use the U.S. Frontier's 3.8-liter V6. The confirmed model pairs electrification with a turbocharged 4-cylinder. An American launch price and 2027 arrival remain unconfirmed. Meanwhile, the U.S. Frontier continues with a 310 horsepower V6, 9-speed automatic, 7,150 pound towing capacity, and available Pro 4X hardware. That contrast highlights how differently Nissan currently approaches both markets. Nissan has proven the technology exists. The real question is whether it will bring it stateside. But while the Frontier Pro chases electrified performance, Nissan already sells a far simpler truck built for honest, everyday work. Number 3. NP300 Workhorse, America's missing no-nonsense pickup. Where the Frontier Pro emphasizes electrified performance, the Nissan NP300 is built around durability, affordability, and hard work. Sold in markets such as Mexico, it uses traditional body-on-frame construction, making it well-suited for heavy payloads, rough roads, and commercial use. Its naturally aspirated 2.5-liter gasoline engine produces about 166 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque. The numbers are modest, but the simple design means no turbocharger, no hybrid system, and fewer expensive components. Some markets also offer a 2.5-liter diesel with roughly 161 horsepower and nearly 300 pound-feet. Depending on configuration, payload can exceed 3,000 pounds, while certain diesel chassis cab versions can tow around 7,700 pounds. Chassis cab models can support delivery bodies, mobile workshops, agricultural equipment, or refrigeration units. A rumored $22,000 price remains unconfirmed and could rise because of tariffs, regulations, and certification costs. Even so, the NP300 could fill a real gap as a basic, body-on-frame work truck for contractors who value function over flashy luxury. Before we enter the top 2, hit the like and subscribe buttons if you enjoy separating real truck news from showroom-size rumors. Your support helps Motor Maven reach more enthusiasts who appreciate useful specifications, honest context, and a little grease under the fingernails. Now the countdown shifts from affordable work truck logic to the full-size legend Nissan fans still refuse to let die, the Titan. Number 2, Titan's return, warrior dream or 2027 fantasy. The Titan is the name truck enthusiasts hope Nissan will revive after ending production after 2024. Online reports claim a 2027 return could bring a revised 5.6-liter V8, a 425 horsepower twin-turbo V6, and styling inspired by the bold Titan Warrior concept. However, Nissan has confirmed none of those details. The final Titan used a 5.6-liter endurance V8, producing 400 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque, giving it strong throttle response and distinctive V8 character. Yet Nissan struggled against established rivals because full-size buyers expect numerous engines, cab styles, bed lengths, towing packages, fleet models, luxury trims, and off-road variants. The 2016 Warrior concept remains the strongest emotional case for a comeback, with wide fenders, upgraded suspension, protective armor, oversized tires, and a Cummins turbo diesel V8. Still, styling alone would not guarantee success. Nissan would need competitive towing, modern trailering technology, efficient powertrains, stronger resale value, and aggressive pricing. Until a platform, factory, engine, or production date is confirmed, the 2027 Titan remains an enthusiast dream rather than a showroom certainty. But Nissan's strongest comeback evidence is not a revived badge. It is the manufacturing strategy quietly forming underneath several vehicles. Number 1. Mississippi Rebuild. Nissan's real revival takes shape. The most important development in Nissan's truck future is its broader body-on-frame strategy centered on Canton, Mississippi. The Frontier is already built there, and Nissan is preparing a rugged Xterra revival, while Mitsubishi develops a North American pickup expected to use Nissan's manufacturing network. Together, these projects suggest a shared body-on-frame platform. Creating a modern truck architecture costs billions because it must support crash protection, suspension systems, towing hardware, powertrains, electronics, emissions compliance, and factory tooling. Spreading those costs across the Frontier, Xterra, and a Mitsubishi pickup would make each model more financially viable. A single platform could support fleet-focused trucks, family-friendly crew cabs, off-road Pro 4X models, and eventually an electrified version inspired by the Chinese Frontier Pro. Mitsubishi would gain an American-built pickup, while Nissan would increase factory volume. Mississippi production could also reduce exposure to pickup import tariffs while improving supply control and long-term pricing. The deeper transformation appears more likely around 2028 or later, making Nissan's gradual strategy smarter than launching 3 disconnected trucks merely to generate headlines. Taken together, these developments reveal a comeback strategy built less on one model year and more on Nissan's next decade. Final verdict: Nissan's truck comeback is bigger than 2027. Nissan has not officially revealed 3 US-bound pickups for 2027. What it has revealed is a broader truck strategy involving the 402-horsepower Frontier Pro PHEV, proven global workhorses such as the NP300, and new manufacturing plans that could support future American models. The Titan remains speculation. The budget-priced US NP300 is unconfirmed, and the 402-horsepower Frontier Pro PHEV currently belongs to China. Yet Nissan's engineering toolbox is surprisingly deep. It has electrified performance, proven commercial workhorses, bold off-road heritage, and an American factory capable of supporting a wider, rugged vehicle family. The real reset may arrive gradually through shared platforms, domestic production, and carefully targeted models rather than one dramatic showroom invasion. Would you buy the electrified Frontier Pro, or would you rather keep the proven V6 Frontier? Should Nissan prioritize an affordable NP300 work truck or take the expensive gamble of reviving the Titan? Share your thoughts and truck-owning experiences in the comments. Subscribe to Motor Maven to get notified about the next vehicle updates and upcoming videos. If Nissan's 3-truck strategy caught your attention, wait until you see the next vehicles we're breaking down. Tap one of the videos on your screen now and keep the automotive adventure rolling with Motor Maven. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.